Lady Tsogyal asked the Master, "Which vital point contains all paths?" The Master replied, "The path beyond journey is the vital point that contains all paths. All other paths change and do not last. The path of awakened mind is beyond journey in the sense that awakened mind essentially is your true nature, unmistaken basic space, the non-dual nature of lucid wakefulness. So when you realize how to embark upon it, there is neither a path to traverse nor a journey. The moment you realize this nature that transcends coming and going, there is no basis for a concrete path through which you could be conveyed by a vehicle. And being uncreated, it is known as the indestructible, vajra, like awakened state. To realize this nature is known as having brought together all paths within a single vital point.